Morning. Had your breakfast today? Very good. Right. So as per promise, yesterday what we did? Good morning, beta. So yesterday what we did? Parabola. Okay. So today we will be doing assignment discussion. As I told you to bring the assignment. Do you have assignments with you? Good morning. Breakfast, Sara. No, abhi nahi kiya breakfast. After the class, I will take the breakfast. Possibly you all have done the breakfast. So see, this is our assignment. The first assignment which was given to you, please open. This one. See closely. Okay. Right. So I am telling the question numbers. Whatever your doubts are, just tell me. After giving the numbers, I will give you 2 minutes time. From question number 1 to question number 5. 1 to 5. Tell me, what are your doubts? Come on, children. Tell me your doubts. From 1 to 5. I'm waiting 1 minute. Please text. Third one. Okay. Third and fourth. Okay. Close. So now 6 to 10. What are your doubts? Tell me. Among the question numbers 6 to 10. 1 minute for you. 7, 8, 9. Then why are you leaving the 10th also, my dear? I should solve the 10 also. Okay. We will take 7, 8, 9, 10. Finish. Correct. Now you tell me 11 to 16. What are your doubts, bacho? Come on, children. Tell me your doubts. Today is the weekend day, Saturday. I am in mood of solving the doubts. 13, 14, 16, sir. In sequence, you all are asking, beta. Okay. 13, 14, 15 also. Okay. Fine. Then 16 to 20, what are your doubts? Please text. Yes, you will get the update, beta. Just wait for that. Possibly by the evening, is it there or not? 16, 17, 18, all. No, not all. You should do something here. Okay. 16, 17, 18, 19. Chaliye, मैं कर दूंगा. After that, which one you want? You want to have a tea? Okay, good. So up to 20, any doubt is there? 20 also you want. Oh my God. ठीक है बच्चों. 21 to 25. 21 to 25, 24, 21, 22, 23. Beta tum log badmaas ho. You all are naughty children. This is not the way all you are asking. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay. You should be happy. I will tell you all this, right? और देख लो, see once more if something is left. कुछ छूटा तो नहीं, कुछ रहा तो नहीं. If something is pending, just cross check it. 24 is there, beta. I have written it. So let us start now the discussion. Okay. So you all are asking, first of all, question number. Let's do one thing. इसको क्यों छोड़ते हैं? We'll discuss the complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? यहाँ पे 6 को भी नहीं छोड़ते हैं. यहाँ 11, 12 रह गया, उसको भी कर लेते हैं. तो एक काम करते हैं. We will do one thing. We will erase this all and we will write all. Okay? So number 1, first one. Find the slope of the given line, right? So this line is passing through the origin and making an angle 30. What is the slope, bachcho? Slope of the line is m, and m is equals to tan theta. What is the theta? 30 degrees. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So what is the answer? Third is the answer. Okay, right. Second one, slope of the given line y and x, line passing through the horizon. Format is y is equals to mx. How much angle is this? 30. So this will not be counted. We will count always from this x-axis. Slope means tan of angle made by the line with the x-axis. Ye 30 hai beta. This is 30. So how much is remaining? 60 degrees. Okay. So now the slope is being its tan theta, tan 60. What's the tan 60? Root 3. So what is the answer for this? Fourth is the answer. Copy this. Come on. Let me finish the tea. 1 minute for all of you. Okay. Shall I add the screen? All questions Anvija is telling, sir, all are completed. See, beta Anvija, it's not about the 5, 10 or 15 children. The other children also may have some doubts. So let us, nothing wrong if we discuss it, okay? You just, if you have done, just have patience. One more assignment was given to you yesterday. You can please work on that meanwhile. We will come that on that also. Shall I clean it? Right. Next is the third one. Here is the line. Passing through the horizon, this angle is 60 degrees. We want the slope. Thank you, ma'am. Not this. Ma'am, it's not this. I need for gift batch, not Jenny batch. Gift batch, gift batch. Yesterday given for gift batch. So, not problem. Just let us wait for after half an hour. We will try. Sure. Okay. So, beta, this angle is 60 degree. How much this angle will be then? 120 degrees. These are the x and y axis, right? So now, what about the slope? Dear children, slope is nothing but tan value of angle made by the line with the x axis. So it is tan of 120. Tan 120, how to get? Tan 90 into 1 plus 30. 10 will convert into the cot. Cot 30. Cot 30 is equal to tan 60 means root 3. But it will be with the minus sign. Because tan is negative in the second quadrant. There are 4 quadrants for the 360 degree angle. 90, 90, 90 and 90. Okay. So here at 120 means this angle. Second quadrant we are there. Second quadrant, who is positive here? Sine and cosec. So tan will be negative. So what is the right choice? Answer is 1. Copy this. Come on, bacho. Suhana is asking, wait, sir. Waiting. After each question, I will give you the 1 minute. Recording start kiya? Recording is on?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Some are asking, sir, recording is on or not?
Yes, sir.
Once you confirm, please. Confirm. Okay. Okay, right. Both assignment done, sir. Ajam. Okay, very good, beta. I'm proud on you. You are the good child. So next we are taking the number 4. But see, professionally, we have to discuss it in the class for everyone. Okay? There are different kind of children, beta. They may be able to solve or not. So some concept they have missed. By the discussion of this assignment, at least they will have a recap of those concepts. Okay? So now the next one is 4th. Here is the line. What is the angle? 45. How much it is left? 135. We want to calculate slope. What is the slope? Tan theta. Tan 135 is what? Tan of 90 into 1 plus 45. If this n, the multiplication is odd number, then 10 converts into cot. Okay. So m is like cot 45, which is 1. Now see the sign of original function. In quadrant method, you know what we are checking? Tan 135. So where we are standing in the second quadrant. Okay. 90 plus 45. Second quadrant is the house of sin and cosec. So tan is negative here. Means actually the value if we write, we have to now assign the sign. M is minus 1. And very simple date, beta, simple thing. Second quadrant mein all are sin cosec are positive, remaining all are negative. Okay. So I hope it's over. See it for 1 minute. Come on. X, this angle is with the y, na? So we'll count with the x. Yeah. This is 90, na? Fine, correct. This total is 90. So total angle becomes 135. Thing is same. Okay. This will remain 45. We have nothing to do with it. Okay. Right. Directly 1045? No. We have to show the angle is obtuse, this total angle. Okay. With the x-axis is 90 plus this 45, 135. Then it will be minus because 1045 is 1 beta, but 135 is minus 1. So now the next is 5th one. The question number 5. It's a simple problem. Here is the y-axis, here is the x-axis, angle is 45. So we want the equation of this line, okay? Then what is the line equation, Babu? Y equals to mx. Is this or not? What is the m? Slope of the tangent, tan theta, which is 1. So put this value in the equation. What will be the line equation? Y is equal to x. Okay. See among the given options, third. So answer is third one. Copy this, please. Which angle in 90? With the x-axis is 45 now. Previous question, tangent is this. This is 90 plus 45. So total is how much? 135. Okay. We have to see the angle from the axis up to the line. Okay. Jonah, why Jonah? Is that over? Shall I clean it now? We are adding the screen further. So the next is question number 6. Just now we have solved it. This is the line passing through origin. This angle is 45. So this is remaining 135. If you'll make a good practice, all this you will be having on your fingertips. Okay, 45, 90, 30, 60, all that. So here, what's the equation of line actually? Which is passing through the origin has mx first. Now what is the slope of this line, which is m? Tan theta. Means angle made by the line with the plus x-axis, 135. Is this or not? So 135 degree is minus 1. So equation of line, tell me, y is equal to minus x. Okay, or we can write it as x plus y equal to 0. He has given in the format this. Okay, so the answer is 4. Copy this, bacho. Come on. 6th one. What about the yesterday's assignment? Are you working on it? Good. How many of you have solved the second assignment as well? Nice. Are you getting questions? All are over? Good, good. Those have done very good, but those are not doing it at all. Please work out them, beta, solve them. Okay, all the concepts I have discussed already with you. Some of them completed, sir. Then please do the remaining one and ask your doubts. So here is your 6th over. Now I will be taking the next. Shall I add the screen further? Okay. 7th one. Find the y coordinate of the point P. See, here we have a line passing through the origin. Angle is 60 degree. There is a point P over it on this line. Its x coordinate is √3 and y coordinate we don't know. We have to calculate. Okay. So, but we know one thing, slope of this line. Suppose if I drop a perpendicular, this is x coordinate. And this is y coordinate. Okay. So, all of you know, m is equals to what? 1060. Slope of this line. 1060 is √3. So, what's the equation of this line passing through the origin? Y is equals to m we got √3. At which location of x we want the y? X is √3. √3 into √3 is 3. So what is the y coordinate, bacho? Come on. Y coordinate is 3. So the answer is 3rd one. Okay. Copy this, please. Come on. So on this line, x and y can be related by using the slope. Sometime he can give you some y coordinate. He will ask the what is x at this location. So again, use the y is equals to mx. Put the y so you can get the x. And slope is tan theta. Shall I add the next screen? Okay. So here, next we have question number 8. Find the y coordinate of this point. Yes. We have this question now. The line is passing through the origin. Angle is given 45. Here is the point P, where we know the x and we want the y. So what is its answer? Tell me. Slope of the line is what? 1045. What's the 1045? 1. And y is equals to what, bete? Come on, mx. Because line is passing through the origin. So we want y. M is 1. X at this location. Where we want the y? X coordinate given as 4. So what we have? Y value is 4. Okay. So the right choice is which one? Answer is 3rd one. Come on. Kitna simple hai? It's very simple. Second assignment, you please work out if you have right now with you. Those have done this. So slowly it will finish. We'll come to the second also. Okay. So shall I add the screen further? Yes. The next is 9 and 10. There only we'll take the doubts, right? Ninth one is the equation of this line. Angle is theta. Some P point has the coordinate 5, 5 root 3. So this is the line which is passing through the origin. You can see in the diagram. So since the equation of such a line is what? Y equals to mx. What's the y bete? 5 root 3. What is the m here? We have to calculate. X is 5. At this point when x is 5, y is this. So we can see this. M is equals to root 3. Means how much the slope of the line? Root 3. So the answer is third. If you want the theta, so you know slope is tan theta, which is root 3. Then theta will be how much? 60 degrees. This angle will be 60. And equation क्या आ गई बताइए लाइन की? Y equals to m is root 3 mx, because line is passing through the origin. Okay. Next is, I hope you got it. Y is equals to mx. This is the y, this is the x. So slope is coming out root 3. Then being the slope is tan theta, theta is coming out 60 degrees. Means the line will make an angle 60 degree with the horizontal. You want to write the equation of line. So it is y is equals to mx. Copy this, or else in the recording also you can see this. Shall I add the screen now further? Okay. The next is our 10th question. Find the distance between the points. This we told you in the discussion. Here is the point A, here is the point B. Coordinates of A are 3, 5. Coordinates of the point B are 8, 17. So what's the distance formula? You know that root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. 17 minus 5 is how much? 12. How much is this? 25 plus 144. Root of 169. So distance between the points, how much it is coming? 13 units. Okay, copy kariye. Good, K Medha, nice beta. So when you will be learning the physics, you will encounter about the curves, different graphs between two quantities. So then generally you have the straight lines and parabola, or the circle with the center at origin. That's why it's useful for you. Okay, you will feel comfortable in the physics. Let me solve the 11th also here. Y is equals to x plus 4. Okay, he is asking what is the slope of the line. So simple, compare it with the standard equation mx plus 4. If you see, what is the coefficient of x here? 1, and generally it is m. So this and this are same. M is 1, means slope is 1. So what is the answer? Which option is the one? 4. That's the right choice. Come on, copy this beta. So now we can take the next one. 12. Y is equals to mx plus c, like 2x plus 5. You want the slope. So just have a comparison with the standard equation. What is the m? You can see x coefficient 2. Here it should be m. C is 5. So what is the m, bacho? It is coming out as 2. So the slope value is 2. What's the answer? Second choice is the answer. Which one is the 13? Let us see. Slope of the following line. 2y is equals to 3x plus 2. As I know you, if coefficient of the y is other than the 1, just try to make it 1. Means whatever is with the y, just divide it in the right side. So we can have divide this 2 here, this expression by this 2. So 3x plus 2 by whole 2. Individually, if we write 3x by 2 plus 1, coefficient of x, what? 3 by 2. So it's equals to like standard equation mx plus c. So can you see what is the slope coming out? 3 by 2. Copy this, come on. 13 are over. Choice कौन सा है ये? Second answer. Okay, copy this please. और बच्चों, you are waiting to come to the campus, please hold on for a few days. You will be here with us. In front, we will be interacting in the class. So we are moving slowly. So if we have to revise this all, so it will not take much time for us. Okay. So I'm going to clean it. Okay. 14. Hostel facilities are awesome, beta. We have the best hostel in the country. Even it is better than the medical colleges. Even I should say in the world class facilities we have. वर्ल्ड में ऐसा आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा जैसा हमारे यहाँ पे है. Date I am not sure, but maybe the coming week only. Anytime you can be intimated. Maybe repeated, it may not be repeated. Means, but we can have an extra class if some people have the doubt. That's not a problem. Whenever our children are having the problem, we are also free. You are also in the hostel, so we can take extra class anytime. So next is 15. Draw the following lines. Okay, बच्चों, हमें इसका भाई ड्राइंग बनाने का. पहली लाइन की ड्राइंग कैसे बनेगी जरा देखिए. y is equals to 2x plus 4. ये कौन सी लाइन हो गई? Which line is this? mx plus c. Intersection is positive. Slope is also positive. Means line will make an acute angle. Okay. So this way. 14 is solved, no? Okay, I will take, no problem. This is the line with intersection positive. And here is the slope. Such that m equals to tan theta, which is equal to 2. Let us complete the 15, then we will go for 14. Second, y is equals to x minus 2. This is something like mx minus c. Slope is 1, positive. Means ऐसे झुकी रहेगी line will be inclined like this, but intersection is negative. So it is like this. Intersection downside 2 units, but slope is positive 45 degree because slope is 1. Means tan theta is 1. बोले तो theta कितना? 45. This is the line for second question. It is in the form of mx minus c. M is 1 being tan theta is 1, means 45 the line will make with the x-axis. Intersection is negative, means downside it will cut the y-axis. First 2 are over. Now the next is third one. 15th third. 2y is equals to x minus 5. How to do this? Y is equals to x by 2 minus 5 by 2, dividing by the 2. So it looks like mx minus c. Understand? Slope is what? 1 into x by 2 I can write. So 1 by 2 is the m slope, but it is positive. But intersection is 5 by 2, which is negative. This way. So we can say slope of the line is 1 by 2. Or you can say tan theta is 1 by 2. Okay, theta is tan inverse 1 by 2. But intersection is 5 by 2. Downside because it is negative. Okay, copy this. Yeah, today it's going to be your last class. Then we will meet face to face. The next is number 4. Sorry, not 15th 4. Which sort of line is this? The same pattern, 3y is equals to 4x minus 5. So what is the meaning? Y is equals to 4x by 3 minus 5 by 3. It's similar, looks like m x minus c. Okay. So how is the m? 4 by 3. Is it positive or negative? 4 by 3 is positive or negative? Come on. Positive. Nice. So means, and how is the intersection? Negative. Line will be like this. So first result, c is minus 5 by 3, means it will cut here. And what is the slope, bete? Tan theta is equals to 4 by 3. Do you remember what is the tan theta 4 by 3? 53 degrees. So this is the angle, 53 degrees. Copy kariye, come on. So 15 are over. Second assignment, I will take doubts only. Okay, not the all questions. Please work out. Yeah, 14. First, they are writing, let them complete. Yeah, today is the last class, beta, of course. Today is your last class, then we will meet in offline. You will sit in front of me, I will stand in front of you, then we will have nice interaction sessions. So, shall I add the next screen? Date, just wait, beta. Possibly the next week, soon you will be intimated. Next is, you will be getting a message about exam also. Just wait, hold on. 14. 2x is 3y plus 2. So what does it mean? 3y is equals to 2x minus 2, this side. Why is this then? 2 by 3x minus 2 by 3. Oh, that's why you're asking this. It's something like mx minus c. M is positive, 2 by 3. You want the slope only. What is the reason then? M is clearly equal to 2 by 3. Standard equation of the line, mx minus c. So what is the answer? Why the negative slope? 3y is there, na? 2 is coming this side, 2x minus 2. Y is 2 by 3. Positive slope, m is positive. Okay, so what is the answer? Second is the answer, not the first. There is a correction. Please do this correction, beta, key correction. Instead of first, the answer is second. Kindly notice this. There is a key correction. I have not given beta. Operators are doing some mistakes sometimes. They have to make so many answers. At the place of 1, there may be he pressed the key 2, like that. Okay. A plan is going on regarding you, beta. You will be intimated. But I think today is the last online class. Then we are planning for the offline to all of you. Next is 16, 17, 18. All three together. 16. Slope of the following lines. 4y minus 5x is equals to 6. 4y is 5x plus 6. What is the y then? 5 by 4x plus 6 by 4. So this is standard equation of the line, mx plus c. Coefficient of x represents m. Then what is the slope, my dear children? Tell me. This is 5 by 4. Which option is there? Fourth option. So our answer is the fourth one. Okay, copy this please. Seventeen is also almost same model. 3y plus 2x is equals to minus 4. Slope of the line. So what is the 3 by minus 2x minus 4? Taking it to that side. So y is equals to dividing it by 3, right side, minus 4 by 3. Now you see which equation is of the line, minus mx minus 3. So slope is negative. This is the slope. Wait a minute. This is our slope. So what is the answer? Minus 2 by 3. कोई परेशानी किसी बच्चे को? Any problem to any child? Any trouble? Then text me. Else copy this. Come on. So how this line will be? How this line will be like? If we want to plot this line, what does it mean? Do you know? This line has negative negative slope. How it will be inclined? Like this, obtuse angle. And intersection is also negative. So it will look like this. See, angle is obtuse, negative slope. And intersection is also negative. Understand? This line appears like this in the graph. Minus mx minus c. Okay? Fine. Shall I clean it now? Right. The next. 18. Write equation of the given line. See, bhai, this is 0, 2. This is 45. So the answer is here. Slope of this line is 1045. What is the 1045? 1. Okay. And what is the intersection? This length is 2. So C is equal to 2. So what is the equation? M is positive, C is positive. Y equal to mx plus C. Then what is the answer? M is 1, x plus 2. Which option is that? First. So we are getting answer 1. Okay, copy this, come on. Next, we have 19 number. So 18 is copied, right? 19. See, here is the y-axis, here is the x-axis. This is 45. This coordinate is 0, minus 5. Means intersection is minus 5. So what is the equation of the line? Y equals to m, because m is positive. So mx minus c. M is how much? 1045. 1 into x minus c. Value is what? Downside, but value is 5. Numerical value. Okay. So equation of the line is x minus 5. Which choice is that? 4th. So answer is 4. Come on. Is this clear to you all? So when we come to hostel, your classes will be based on NCERT or firstly basic things. No. Basics are almost over. Whatever the left portion is there, first we will cover all that, all model and some assignments we will practice. Then we will switch on with the NCERT and all. Okay? Right. Beta, see, mathematics is equally important in the physics. When you are taking a new car, you will get a toolbox in the car. Is this or not? So if you have a problem in the car on the road, so by using that toolbox or like first aid type, you can repair it. Understand? So in physics, when we are doing few things, numerical expressions, we need the mathematics, and this mathematics is useful there. So we are teaching you. Okay? Right. It's not a physics. It's a basic math. maths which is required to handle the physics. Okay. Right, equation of the given line. Now, how to conclude? This is 60 degrees. P point has intersection but 0, 4 means this is 4. See, this slope is how much? 120. So first of all, get the m. What is the m? Tan 120. Tan theta means with the plus x axis, angle made by the line. Tan 120 means what? 90 into 1 plus 30. 120 is in the second quadrant. So we have to keep here like cot 30. Cot 30 means what? Tan 60. Root 3. Now lastly, you just assign it sign. So m will be minus root 3. See, we are checking the 10 at 120, where we are in the second quadrant for 120. How is the 10 here? Negative. So it is y is equals to x minus 5 only, no? X minus 5. 19th answer is 4. X minus 5. Correct. Angle is 45. Slope is positive. 10, 45. Intersection minus 5. So x minus 5. Fourth answer. Arey beta, fourth option is the answer. How it's minus 5? Equation is there, no? X minus 5. Okay. Press the screen. Next screen. So this is the m. So what is the equation? Y is equals to being mx plus c. In general, m is negative, intersection is positive. Which option is that? Answer is 2. Minus root 3x plus 4. Check it out. That all small exponent and logarithm we will do when you will come in the offline. Don't worry for all that. The small things, once you will reporting here in 1 or 2 classes, that will be completed. No issues. Logarithm is not much needed. Only log expression is required. We will tell you once you will be in the offline. Shall I clean it now? Okay. Bacho, tension mat lo. You just don't worry. Leave the worries over us. We are responsible. More than you, we are caring for you. Your success is our success. Why don't you understand? Okay. So we will make a plan. You just execute that. You will be definitely moving to the aims. Okay. Don't worry at all. We are known for that only. Next is 21st. Question number 21. What it is telling? Write equation of the given line. अब इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? How to write the equation of this line, dear children? This angle is 30. So this will be 150. Intersection is negative side of 6 value because coordinates are 0, minus 6. So see, slope is negative. Intersection is positive. Means equation will be in the format like minus mx minus c. Now what is the m here? M is equal to tan theta. Tan 150 means what? Tan 1. 1 converts into the cot. Cot 60. Cot 60 is tan 30. Means 1 by root 3. And how its sign will be? I want the value of tan at 150. 150 angle is in the second quadrant. By 90 plus 60. So tan is negative here. So means we have concluded m is minus 1 by root 3. So equation of the line is minus mx means 1 by root 3x minus c, which is 6 in magnitude. Okay, if you are confused, you just don't write it. Just simply you can use mx plus c. M is coming minus. minus 1 by root 3x, and c is negative. Okay, fine. So now last 5 are remaining, beta. Let us have a drink break. I will take some water. You please also take. Okay. थोड़ा पानी पी के आगे बढ़ेंगे बेटे. और सुनाइए क्या चल रहा है? What is new? Are you studying at home, practicing the questions or not? Very good. How much time are you giving for the physics? At least give the 2 hours minimum. 45 minutes, 1 hour. Okay. Right now it's the beginning, no? It's enough. Only the homework must be completed. Whatever the work assigned to you, beta, you please make sure, independent of the time given, it should be completed and doubt must be marked. So whenever the problem, you can ask. 25 hours, Redmi 9 power. Very good, beta. Extra 1 hour you are creating. Do we have the exam tomorrow? See, beta, by afternoon you will get this information. Okay. Yesterday I was busy in some senior classes and long term, so I could not collect the information. I will ask the in charge to inform you about it. Okay. By the afternoon you will get. Yes. Today is the last class for the offline. Soon we will meet in the online का last class है आज. Offline में हम मिलेंगे बच्चों, आप परेशान मत होइए. Soon you will be called. Chalo, more 5 are left, so we will finish them. So second assignment doubts we can take at least. I think line का हमने postmortem कर दिया. We have done the postmortem, small slides of the line, because 90% graphs will be depending upon the line and 20% will be on the parabola, and one chapter is their gravitation, that will be over the ellipse. One graph only in SHM. Okay, that is the only use. Next is 22. For the given line, y equals to 4x plus 5, the value of the slope and intersection. See, it looks like mx plus c. What is the m by comparison? 4. And what is the c? 5. So what is the pair for the answer? 4, 5. Answer is 4. I hope it's clear to you. Now the 23, the application in physics, you see. I'll tell you, just wait. You are going arbitrary, random. Somebody is asking differentiation, somebody asking something. This is not the way. Go in sequence. Please hold on. See, draw the graph of s is equals to 40. Means distance covered by a body depends upon the time, like s is equals to 40. S is displacement, t is the time. Take the s over the y-axis and time over the x. So what is this like y? What is this like x? S is 40. It seems like y equal to mx, or you can say s proportional to t. How the graph will be? Y equals to mx like this. If you say the angle, tan theta will be 4. Or you can say slope of this is 4. So the graph will look like what? The second choice. Answer is 2. Come on. Wait, beta, you will be informed by the afternoon. Okay, in charge is not yet reported. Let him come. I will ask him to inform you. Or the whatever the next class, that sir will also discuss it about with you. Next is, I think 4 are remaining. 24. Body is projected vertically upwards and velocity time graph. This I told you in the teaching as well. When some person throwing the ball, it will go up and come down. So first its velocity will reduce. Highest point it becomes 0. Then again body will move down, but direction is reverse. So this is called the PT graph. What is its answer? Tell me out of the given options. Third. Okay, copy this. For a body projected in the gravity, The velocity time graph is a straight line as shown in the figure. Come on. 25. F is equals to minus kx. So it's something like y equals to mx. Understand? So what is the slope by the comparison? M is equals to minus k. The answer is first one. Okay. Copy this, please. Janvi, I told beta earlier in the discussions also, when we will throw some body up, it will leave our hand with highest velocity, will go up, retarded, and finally velocity 0. So see, t equal to 0, the velocity is maximum. As the time passes, velocity is decreasing, okay, coming down, time is increasing. At highest point, it becomes 0, so it is cutting the time axis. Here also, again, when it come down, velocity will increase, but its direction is reverse, so in this direction, okay, right. 25th question. Slope, they have asked, what is the value of slope? That's a misprinting. It should be like if equation is f equals to minus kx, then what is the slope of the line? Okay, fine. Now the two more are there. 26. There is some graph given to you. Like this. Here is the A. Here is the B, suppose here is the C. At the A, this is theta 1, okay? Here is a tangent if I draw theta 2. Here I draw one tangent, it is theta 3. Now you tell me, as we are moving up along the slope, angle is decreasing or increasing with the x-axis? Angle is increasing, okay? So tan theta will also increase. But tan 0 degree is 0. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan 45 is 1. Tan 60 is root 3, 1.7. So जैसे जैसे theta बढ़ता है means the as soon as the theta will increase, tan values will also increase, means the slope is also increasing. So means this is the maximum slope. Here it is called M3, here it is M2, and here it is M1. So which is the maximum? M3 is max, then M2, and more than M1. See the correct sequence out of the given options: C, B, and A. Okay, like C, B, and A. So rather than 1, 2, 3, write C, B, and A. MC, slope at B, and here this is the slope at A. So the same way, order, because points are given A, B, C, not the 1, 2, 3. MC is maximum, MB moderate, MA is minimum. I hope it's clear to you. Okay. Niharika wants me to explain the diagram once again. See, bhai. Beta Niharika, here is one curve. A point, like B point and C point. Slope we want to calculate at different 3 points for the given curve. Slope means what? Angle made by the tangent. You draw one tangent, this is the angle like theta 1. Here if you draw the tangent, here x angle is like theta 2. If you draw one tangent here, here the angle is theta 3. Which angle is more, beta? Theta 3 is of course more. So tan theta 3 is more. Which is the minimum, beta? Theta 1. So tan theta 1 is minimum, means slope at the C is maximum and at the A it is minimum. Okay. Niharika, please respond if you got it. Is this clear to you? Okay, fine, right. Next, 27. This I told you already. Slope means what? If two children are coming along the two slides, who will move fast? ये मान लीजिए अपना है राजू राजू राजू, and who is C? Chutki 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 chutki. Then who will come fast? Chutki or Raju? Chutki will slip fast. So this slope is more. ये कौन सा ग्राफ है हमको दे रखा है उसने, सेकेंड is more than slope of 1. Means if we leave a body or a ball, then the curve along which it will move fast, that will have the more slope. Simple. So the answer is which option, bachcho? Second option. Copy this. So this way your first assignment is over. So second assignment, are you ready for the discussion of second, or shall we take in the offline when you will come? So I will teach you the ellipse now. Or shall I discuss the second one? How many doubts do you have in the second assignment? Offline, okay. Fine, ठीक है. तो एक काम करता हूं, मैं आपको आज ellipse पढ़ा देता हूं थोड़ा सा. For in the remaining time, half an hour is there. No, you write down the ellipse. Come on, पढ़ाएंगे. This we can take extra. Even the doubts are there, you can ask me. I will give you my number. You can post the doubts. We will discuss. Two worksheets. Two assignment, please. Second assignment you want? Okay. So note down, please. Heading, ellipse. Come on. Beta, you all are confused. Some are texting for doubt, some are texting for the ellipse. Okay, 1 minute. Let me count the boards. Yes, Manideep Balaji asking the doubt worksheet. Okay. एक काम करते हैं बेटा. Why to spoil the topic? Just two formulas are there. You note down, then I will take the doubts. See, you know, this is a straight line. This is the circle. And if we have a shape like this, just you have to learn it. Then this is known as ellipse. X-axis, Y-axis. This total length is 2a. What it is called? Major axis. And from here to here, total is 2b. It's called minor axis. They are represented by 2a and 2b. First listen, then you will copy later on. Now, this is what? B. Half of the 2b is called semi-minor axis. And half of it is called semi-major axis. Okay? इसको क्या कहते हैं? मेजर एक्सिस. और हाफ को क्या बोलेंगे? सेमी मेजर. मींस द A. And this B is known as the total is minor, half is semi-minor. And what is the equation of an ellipse? Equation. of ellipse. X square upon a square plus y square upon v square is 1. Come on. Copy up to here first, then we will take one or two problems. This shape is called ellipse as far as our physics is concerned. This length from here to here, like it's an egg type, you can feel, okay? Elliptical. This total is 2b, called minor axis. Half of it is known as semi-minor axis. This total length from here to here is major axis, which is called 2a. Half of it is what? Semi-major axis, okay, which is called the a. And this is called equation of an ellipse. Come on. Here the circles are no, it's an ellipse. Circle is like this, Babu. This is like this. Okay, oval shape type. Mr. Aman, how it is a circle? You should be knowing the difference. This is the circle and this is the ellipse, beta. It's a flat at the top, oval. Yes. Copy this, please. This shape is known as ellipse. Thousand times I told you there are no online classes next week, beta. No online classes further. This today is your last day for online classes. So if we have this kind of shape, this is called ellipse. Distance across the y, or the y length occupied by this shape is called the minor axis. X length occupied by this shape is the semi-major axis, and their half are respectively semi-major and semi-minor. Copy करिए. Okay. Now you may be thinking, sir, what is its use? Where this shape will come in our use? So please keep your pens down and listen carefully. There was a scientist, his name was Kepler. You ever heard the name of Mr. Kepler? The scientist Kepler? Newton's gravitation law. Do you know the Kepler laws? Yes. Newton derived the law of gravitation, and the scientist Kepler derived 3 laws about the planetary motion, that how the planets are moving. Yes. So he said, all the planets, suppose here is our sun. All the planets, and here is the planet, like Venus, Mercury, Jupiter, our Earth, Saturn, they all will move around the sun in an elliptical orbit. तो ये सर्कल में नहीं घूमती हमारी अर्थ, किस में घूमती है? Earth or any planet will revolve in an elliptical orbit. Here it is used. Okay, make the expression. Note करिए इसको. Application. Planets are having elliptical path around the sun, and sun is always at their focus. Okay. Fine. Completed. So in this particular chapter, the ellipse is used in gravitation for the motion of a planet, that too for a simple thing. Now come back to the equation. Actually, what happens, beta? Whenever, suppose the sun is here. What is this? Semi-minor axis. This is suppose O point. Okay. Sorry, this is the A. This is the B. This distance is called AE. OS is A into A. Now you may be thinking, what is this E, sir? E is called eccentricity. Eccentricity. Eccentricity means what? E is actually OS upon A. This ratio always remains constant. Means this distance divided by this distance is called as E, eccentricity of the ellipse. Okay. So means whenever the planet will pass from two positions, number 1 and number 2. So what are its distances? At position 1, how far the planet from the sun? This is A, this is A. So this is called maximum distance. Means planet is at maximum distance from the sun. Understand? When it is passing through here, that will be A plus AE. E will be given to you in the question. Okay. Second, at second point, means when the earth will revolve and come to this situation, now it is closest to the sun, like in summers. Then how much this distance will be? Again, you know, semi-major axis is A. This is A. So what is this left? Minimum distance. A minus A. इसको आप R minimum कह सकते हैं. And here to here, what it was? R maximum. So R minimum is what? This distance. So it is A minus A. Okay. So again, I am revising. Whenever a planet is moving around the sun in elliptical orbit, it will pass through the two positions. At one position, its distance will be maximum, and at second position, its distance will be minimum. Okay. What is the maximum distance? A into 1 plus AE, and minimum is A into 1 plus A, because see, this ratio, which ratio? Distance of the sun from the center of the ellipse and semi-major axis always remains a constant, which is called eccentricity of that ellipse. It will be given in the question. So OS distance is how much? A. So max distance is A plus A, and minimum is A minus A, the minimum. Copy this, so we will take a question. Come on. Is that clear to you? In the entire physics, this will coming in use only in this chapter, and particularly only over this motion. Okay, copy kariye. Is that clear to you all? So the ratio of distance from center to the sun position and the semi-major axis, which is the A, is known as eccentricity. Is this clear to you all? Come on, text and tell. Repeat again. Oh my God. I will repeat again. What is like repeating, beta? It's conceptual. You understand? Planets are revolving around the sun in elliptical orbit. When they are revolving, they will pass through the farthest distance and minimum distance. Okay? जैसे अपनी अर्थ है, revolving around the sun. When it is close to the sun, it's hot, summer season. It's going away from the sun, it's a winter season. Is this or not? Same way. So only thing is, when it is passing from this, what is the distance? A plus A. When passing through this, A minus A, because this is A. Okay? Right. Centricity definition is the ratio of distance of the sun from the O point and semi major axis. क्योंकि इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम half distance को? Semi major axis. That is called eccentricity. Okay, by one question it will be clear to you, I hope. So first you copy this. Copy करिए इसको, then I will take two problems. One I will tell you, second you all will solve. That is OS, distance. R means distance, planet's maximum distance, and here the planet's minimum distance from the sun. C is nothing but distance of the sun from the center. Yes, that is OS. We are calling it as OS. What you are saying, the C. We don't want to go much deep in the ellipse beta. We are not doing it for mathematics. We are doing it just for physics. Learn it. This is the A, or you can say like C, but we will never use the word C here in the physics. We will say it as OS, okay, or A. ठीक है Niharika? So avoid saying it as C, because that's a term for the people those are going in mathematics deep inside, JEE or JEE Advanced. So shall I clean it now? बच्चों मिटा दूं क्या? Shall I clean it now? Take the next screen. Okay. So one question I will solve and one I will give for you all. See the example. Suppose a planet is revolving around the sun. Okay. Semi-major axis is suppose 2000 kilometers. Eccentricity is suppose 0.4. Okay. Then find, this is our earth. This is the sun. Find the R maximum and R minimum. Means when earth is orbiting around the sun, what will be its max distance and what will be its minimum distance? How far it will go from the sun and how much minimum distance it will have from the sun when it is revolving. So see, as we told you, what is the R max? A, 1 plus E. What is the A, bachcho? Semi-major axis given to you 2000. Eccentricity is 0.4. So it means it's 2000 into 1.4. Point and 10 got cancelled. 2800 kilometers. Means when Earth is revolving, it will have a maximum distance of 2800 kilometers from the sun. And when it will pass through this point, it's called perigee and apogee. You may be knowing. Perigee means the nearest point. So here, the R minimum is what? A into 1 minus E. What is the A? What is the E? Tell me. 0.4. So it will be what, like, come on, 0.6. So R minimum 0.6. Point and 0 cancel, is 1200 kilometers. Understand? So the pair of maximum and minimum distance is 2800 kilometers and 1200 kilometers. Sometime he will ask this ratio. Okay. Answer you can't see. Okay, wait. I will take it to here, beta. Don't worry. So R max 2000 into 1.4. Point and 0 cancel. 2800 kilometers. Okay. So any problem to any child in this? So this is about bodies are revolving in elliptical orbit will have the maximum and minimum distances, and E is called the eccentricity, by help of which we can find the results. So copy this. So I will give you one question. Okay. So now you will solve one question, all of you. Suppose there is a planet Mars. It's revolving around the sun, okay, in elliptical orbit, because all planets will revolve in the elliptical orbit. When it is passing from here, the distance is r1. When it is passing from here, the distance is r2. Can you tell me what is the ratio of r1 and r2 if the eccentricity of the ellipse is 0.5? Come on, solve it. Solve करके बताइए. Second one, if over an ellipse we have a point here 2, y. Okay, this distance is given to us 4. This distance is 3. Then what is the value of y? Come on. Solve the both of them. 5 minutes for you. Three ratio 1. Okay. Second wala. Okay, beta, time up. So it's my turn to tell you. We'll change the color first. So answer of the first one, R1. You see, which distance is this? Minimum. Is this or not? R2 is which distance? Maximum from the sun, because this is sun, Suraj Dada, right? R1 is what? Minimum, 1 minus A. R2 is what? 1 plus A. Khalas. A 1 ja A. 1 1 cancel. 1 minus A. 1 plus A. 0.5. 1.5. Now we will enjoy. 5 1 ja 5. 5 2 ja 10. 5 3 ja 15. So it is 1:3. Understand? Not 3:1. Because numerator we have minimum distance. So it will be less. Means if it is 1, it will be 3 times of that maximum. Okay? Right. Any problem to anyone in this? Right. So now the second one we have to solve. My dear children, how to solve the second? We know this point is over an ellipse. So x square by a square y square by b square is 1. That is the equation. X is known here, y is not known. So we will write, because every point over the ellipse will satisfy this equation. Equation of the ellipse, x and y coordinate must satisfy this relation. So here, when x is 2, 2 square upon a square, a is 4, 16, 4 square. We need the y square. B is 3, semi minor x is 9. So what does it mean? 1 minus, it goes like 4 by 16. So what we have? Y square by 9. This is 12 by 16. So 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16. This is 9 into 3 upon 4. So y is square root 3 root 3 upon 4. That's the answer. How many of you got the answer? Same value? Yes. 3 root 3 by 4 root is 2. Is this clear to you all? This is A, this is B, this is X. We need the Y. So using in the equation of ellipse. Yes, Mr. Saif, you got this answer? How many of you got this? Okay. Yes, beta. Good, Ajam. Ajam Ali Saif. Nice. What is like telling once again, beta? The point is on the ellipse. It is bound to follow this equation. At this location, x is 2, a is 4, y we want to calculate, b is 3, 9, 1. Putting the x, 2 ka square 4 by 16, take it to that side. 1 minus 4 by 16, y square by 9. 16 minus 4, 12 by 16. 4 3 ja, 4 4 ja, 9 3 ja. So taking the root for the y value, 9 ka root 3, 3 ka root 3, 4 ka 2. Understand? Yes, today I will ask them to send you the answers of assignment 2. Okay, बच्चों, we had a nice session this week. Hopefully आपको मजा आया होगा, आपने समझे होंगे graphs, line वगैरह. So I think you enjoyed this session of this week. We tried the level best to make you learn, and Baki to after all, you know, the online is only online. The interaction what we can have in the offline mode, there is no comparison with that. So soon we are going to call you. Then we will be facing each other front to front. We will interact. Okay, bacho. Thank you very much. Even if you have any doubt or trouble, you can ask me. Right? Thank you. Namaskar. Tata. Bye bye. Answers I will send you by the afternoon for second assignment. You don't have next week the online classes. Now we will meet in the offline only. Thank you, beta. Azam Ali. Keep practicing. Bye bye, Vamshi. Tata.